In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show on user input in Zoho Creator. To get started, open your Zoho Creator account and sign in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll want to go to the application where you want to create this behavior. This is important because workflows in Zoho Creator are set up inside a specific app. So make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After selecting your application, click Edit. This will take you into the App Builder, where you can manage forms, workflows, and all the logic connected to your app. If you're new to this area, don't worry. This is where most automation and form customization happens, so you're in the right place. From there, click Workflow. The Workflow section is where you define what should happen in response to certain actions inside your application. Since you want to show something based on user input, this is exactly where you'll configure that behavior. Next, click New Workflow. This starts the process of creating a fresh workflow for your app. Zoho Creator gives you different workflow options depending on what you want to automate, so this step is basically where you begin defining the rule. After that, choose the form you want this workflow to apply to. This part matters because the form is where the user will actually enter information. You need to connect the workflow to the right form, so Zoho Creator knows where to listen for that input and when to respond. Once you've selected the form, choose when to trigger the workflow. This setting tells Zoho Creator at what moment the action should happen. For something related to user input, choosing the correct trigger is very important because it determines whether the response happens while the user is interacting with the form or at another stage. When you're done with those settings, click Create. This will generate the workflow and let you move into configuring the logic for how the form should respond to user input. As a quick tip, before finalizing anything, double-check that you selected the correct application, form, and trigger condition. Small setup mistakes here can make the workflow behave differently than expected. It's also a good idea to test the form afterward, so you can confirm the show on user input behavior works smoothly. That's it for the setup process. You've now created the foundation needed to show something based on user input in Zoho Creator.